take anything. My strategy, I know my way of trading, I know how it works. Have enough confidence to call trades. If I wouldn't have, I wouldn't be here, trust me. And we do this every day. Consistency is key. No worries. I know you guys sometimes can miss my explanations, but every time just pay attention, because there are a lot of details that you can miss and that can cause you a loss maybe. So let's wait. Morning from Namibia. Morning, welcome. GBP CAD broke out. Let's take a look at GBP CAD. Even though I took a look here earlier, I said no trade on GBP CAD. Why? Because we are at support here, and it is very messy. Lots of zones, lots of consolidation, lots of candles. You see this? This is a no trading zone. Look at all these candles, one here, one here. It's so messy. No trade here. Delete this pair for now. GCAD was one of my favorite pairs, but I stopped trading it because it became so many consolidation boxes, so many big moves without a meaning. So not gonna trade GCAD. It's not on my list for now. Why are you looking back so much on USD CAD? Not looking back that much. If you see this is the whole week. What happened in this whole week? Let's see from here. The last 7 days. And I'm not looking that far. If you just look at here, you have plenty of rejections. This was just hours ago. You see this breakout, this retest and continuation. See these rejections first, see these rejections, then you go on the left, you can see that the same level price rejected a lot of times. Now when price comes here, what do you expect? You expect a rejection maybe, because you're at support. EU is gonna take some time, but like I said, we need patience. At least we have to fill this wick here. Yeah, I would say look what happened during the week at least. Yeah, let's take a look if we do have Euro news. So we have a speech coming up in 15 minutes and it's a medium impact. Now, not expecting a very high impact and not expecting too much volatility, but what can we do before this speech? If price stays here, we can reduce the risk if we want, just in case to not risk our profits. Yeah, let's wait and see. Okay, so my stop loss now is going to be just below the breakout wick here, below this previous breakout candle and below this wick. I think there's no need to risk more than that, because if price comes and closes below this, then probably it's going to be a fake out. So 10 pips is going to be enough, I think, for this. News site you use, it's investing.com. There is also my fxbook.com. So it says here also that it's medium impact, so not gonna expect very big impact on euro. Maybe it's gonna move it a bit, but not very high impact. Let's wait and see. Okay, let's take a look at this. GJ broke support back in the range. Sells. Well, can't say it's not very good, but can say it's very good too. Now, what happened here, this was only minor zone. This was only a minor zone, and this was not a very clear breakout, and also it got rejected all the way from down here. So I don't think I would take this trade if I would see this live. I don't think I would take this. Let's wait and see. You can still come a little lower, like I said before, another 2-3 pips, then after it push to the upside. So as long as we stay above this, we are good to go. Have you entered? Yes, I told that to you before when I took the trade, I said I'm taking it. And once you see this, means that I'm in a trade. Let's wait and see. USD JPY looking good. Well, we'll have to wait and see. UJ is a weak breakout. Okay, UJ is EU is pushing now. Nice. Let's wait and see. We need only a few more pips. Okay, we have 10 pips now. I'm gonna secure some and move my stop at break even. Nice, 10 pips. First take profit is reached. Now let's see if we're gonna continue more. First 10 pips. Okay, very nice trade. See, this is the best trade you can find. A good clean break and retest. Stop loss at break even. I secured some, I leave some run. Yeah, now we filled the wick, so I'm not gonna risk it, because price can push down after it. So I'm just gonna hold the runners with stop loss at break even. Stops at break even, and we'll see if it's gonna continue. Needs to go a lot more, of course. Might take some time, but at the end it's gonna pay out. Yeah, first target, second target actually is this zone. Then after this we see where we can go. We need to break this too after to continue more, because you can see yesterday we had a few rejections, could have break above then dropped again, so we need a breakout today and we'll see how far it can go. For now, stops at break even for the runner, closed most at 10 pips. Let's wait and see. Daniel, yeah, you came late again. You missed the trade. You did miss the trade. Okay guys, just to let you know, these guys that came late, the giveaway is open. You need to go to my Instagram and leave a comment in my last post. Matthew, how are your signals? If you're coming for signals, that's not a good idea. You better come to learn how to trade, not to expect signals. Okay, I'm gonna leave a comment. It is valid anymore. Look, as long as it stays above this, it is valid, but it made the first push. Now it's coming, like I said, at least it's gonna fill the wick, and now it's coming down again. The thing is, it becomes more risky. It's not that it's not valid anymore, but it becomes more risky because it's coming as a rejection. Can this still continue up? Of course it can. As long as it stays above this level, it can continue up. Kindly drop analysis on GJ. Yeah, of course. Of course, let's take a look at GJ. Okay, GJ. So, GJ made a small consolidation box here. And we had a first try to break up, we couldn't. Here, we had another try, we couldn't. Went all the way down 2 times. So we have 2 touches to the upside, 1 touch down. Now the second time trying to break below this. Now what we need is, we need to go to look on the left. What do we have? If we have another zone here or not. Now we go on the left. Let's open the 4 hour. What do we have? We have the next support around here. So looks like a free traffic on the left until this next zone. Now, yeah, looks like if we do close below this, then we can have a nice move to the downside of how many pips we have here. Yeah, we have a nice 20 pips range. If we do close above a retest to continue to this next zone. Let's go to the daily. Daily is rejecting resistance. Now this can help also for sells, since we are getting rejected on daily resistance. this can be another confirmation to go for sells, but we can only aim for this small range to fill, nothing more. On GJ, can you look at EA? What about EA? You see what I meant before when I took a look at EA. See, we have this resistance still, and some people said we have a breakout of this